Sahih al-Bukhari 3356, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam said, Ibrahim did his circumcision with an adze at the age of 80, narrated Abu Zanid, as above with an adze, a type of cured blade axa. Sahih al-Bukhari 3357, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Ibrahim did not tell a lie except on 3 occasions. Sahih al-Bukhari 3358, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Ibrahim did not tell a lie except on 3 occasions, twice for the sake of Allah when he said, I am sick, and he said, I have not done this but the big idol has done it. The third was that while Ibrahim and Sarah his wife were going on a journey, they passed by the territory of the tyrant. Someone said to the tyrant, this man, i.e. Ibrahim, is accompanied by a very charming lady. So he sent for Ibrahim and asked him about Sarah, saying, who is this lady? Ibrahim said, she is my sister. Ibrahim went to Sarah and said, O Sarah, there are no believers on the surface of the earth except you and I. This man asked me about you, and I have told him that you are my sister, so don't contradict my statement. The tyrant then called Sarah, and when she went to him, he tried to take hold of her with his hand, but his hand got stiff and he was confounded. He asked Sarah, pray to Allah for me, and I shall not harm you. So Sarah asked Allah to cure him, and he got cured. He tried to take hold of her for the second time, but his hand got as stiff as or stiffer than before and was more confounded. He again requested Sarah, pray to Allah for me, and I will not harm you. Sarah asked Allah again, and he became alright. He then called one of his gods who had brought her and said, you have not brought me a human being, but have brought me a devil. The tyrant then gave Hajar as a girl servant to Sarah. Sarah came back to Ibrahim while he was praying. Ibrahim, gesturing with his hand, asked, what has happened? She replied, Allah has spoiled the evil plot of the infidel or immoral person and gave me Hajar for service. Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha then addressed his listeners, saying that Hajar was your mother, O Bani Sama, i.e. the Arabs, the descendant of Ismail, Hajar's son. Sahih al-Bukhari 3359, narrated Sharik radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered that the salamander should be killed and said, it, i.e. the salamander, below the fire on Ibrahim. Sahih al-Bukhari 3360, narrated Abu Dullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, when the verse it is those who believe and do not confuse their belief with wrong, i.e. joining others in worship with Allah, 6.83 was revealed. We said, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is there among us thus, who has not done wrong to himself? He replied, it is not as you say, for wrong in the verse, and do not confuse their belief with wrong means sharik, i.e. joining others in worship with Allah. Have not you heard Luqman saying to his son, O my son, join not others in worship with Allah. Only joining others in worship with Allah is a great wrong indeed. 31.13. Like and subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.